Hello there. On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you AI tools that can actually help you as a mom. Being a mom is a very hard job to do because you worry about a lot of things. You worry about the kids, you worry about food, you worry about groceries, you worry about laundry, you worry about a whole lot of things and yourself. Sometimes you get lost that you don't even pay attention to things that matter to you, especially your personal things. Say for instance, social media, you find it difficult to reply to messages, and then planning food is a very hectic thing to do as a mom. But on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you AI tools that can actually help you manage your life properly when it comes to social life and when it comes to food, so you don't need to worry about anything. So just go to this site called letsfoodie.com. So as you can see here, you see recipe by AI. All you need to do is just to input the ingredients you have. Let's say plantain and oil. Generate my recipe and then give it some time. There you go. You see, fried plantain chips, ingredients, 2 large plantain, 1/2 cup of olive oil, and the direction to make it is actually here. So you just don't need much. Everything is stated for you to follow. It's pretty cool. And here you can see how to make some recipes that you might not know how to make. All you need to do is just to click, and then there you go. See everything you need to know about the recipe. Then here is how to's. You see how to cook, freeze, microwave, prepare, a whole lot of things, reheat, serve, store. It's just the best. And here is list of ingredients that you may be needing. They are organized according to categories depending on what you want. Everything is well spelled out and it's just cool, stress-free, easy to use. You don't just need to stress yourself much. You can use it to plan your meal, so that you have a guide to prepare varieties of food for your family. So that is it for Less Foodie. It's pretty cool to use. Now that food is settled, you can go ahead and enjoy your life, enjoy your social life as a mom because it's one of the parts of mom's life that are usually being starved. I'm talking about social life. The next AI tool I'm going to be telling you about can help you manage your social media platforms. All you need to do is just to tap an emoji. Oh, by the way, before we talk about the next AI tool, kindly like this video and hit the subscribe button so that you can get more videos from me as I make them. It's really helpful. This site is called fastreply.io. So this is fast reply. This is what it looks like, and you have everything you need here as regards social media management. So, but before you use this, you have to sign up here and fill in the necessary information that is required of you to use this site. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you get started. So here is getting started to direct you on how to use the website. So when you are done filling your profile, it's going to look like this. See your profession, writing style, service offered, audience, keywords. You put in the things you'll be needing. Then you choose a plan because unfortunately this website is not free to use, though there is a free trial. Choose a plan. Afterwards, a key is generated for you, which you'll be needing to be able to make use of the website. So here it is. This is a sample of what it will look like once you've chosen a plan. And then the next step is you download the Chrome extension that will be part of your Chrome, through which you use to, here it is, you click here and then you see something like this, AI fastreply.io. Then you open any post on Twitter, click on fast IO button to generate AI replies. So that's just all you need to do. And then you impute the key, API key from here. You impute it here, and then validate the key. Then you're good to go. So all you need to do is reply by clicking a relevant emoji. Once you head to Twitter or LinkedIn, because unfortunately this website doesn't really work in other social media platforms for now. It's just LinkedIn and Twitter that it works on. So all you need to do once you get a message and you were super busy, you can just look at the message and click on any emoji that may reflect what you want to say. And if it does not really, if the reply it gives you does not really represent what you're having in mind, you can further edit it. So it's just simple to use and it's very much cool. So here you go. Of course, and you can review the reply it generates before you send because you can see the button for reply here once it has generated the reply. So this app is pretty cool and easy to use for super busy moms and every other person who is super busy that would want to like amidst your tight schedule be keeping your social media platforms, LinkedIn and Twitter working, so that you keep engaging your audience and don't lose out on anything. I hope these AI tools help you to live an easy life as a mom and be able to meet your food demand and your social life demand. Thank you for watching and please don't fail to subscribe and like this video and I'll see you in the next one.